Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today, I want to share with you how to make chocolate cake. It's not just a chocolate cake, but I would say the most decadent chocolate cake in the world. It's a little bit too late for Valentine's Day, but when I post the cake on my Instagram, many of my followers requested to share. Undoubtedly, a guilty dessert, but why don't you have just one thin slice for once a year? Let's get started. Melt your chocolate, unsalted butter on a hot water bath or double boiler. Meanwhile, let's prepare eggs. This cake sets with the egg, not with flour. That means the egg and the chocolate should be well homogenized, so you have to be careful when you mix with egg and chocolate. The temperature should be the same and it should be perfectly homogenized. Otherwise, the cake batter goes grainy and you can't have silky texture. Strain into a jar. Take out the foam. If you don't take it out, the texture is not that good. Let's take a look at the chocolate. Whisk until smooth. Add a pinch of salt and vanilla paste. Add a quarter of egg mixture to melted chocolate. Whisk slowly to one direction, drawing a small circle, then big circles. When it mixes thoroughly, add the rest of egg mixture in 3 times. You should mix thoroughly each time. Add vegetable oil and mix to combine. Vegetable oil makes your chocolate cake silky smooth. When it looks like this, shiny and smooth, it's done mixing. Line parchment paper on your mold. If you are using a circle, cover the bottom with the double aluminum foil. Transfer the batter to prepared mold. Prick the air bubbles with a skewer or chopsticks. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until the surface set, but the inside is still jiggling. Leave it to room temperature, then chill at least 3 hours, preferably overnight. Heat the outside of the mold before taking out. The moment of truth. Ta-da! Look at that beauty. It's perfect. Let me taste. You have to heat your knife when you slice the cake. It makes your life easier and shine like this. Grab a cup of coffee and take your time to enjoy the most decadent chocolate cake in the world. This cake is going to be an excellent gift for Valentine's Day or a birthday or any occasion you want to celebrate. My policy is to have the best quality food in small amount to satisfy my appetite. I don't like to have reduced fat or any kind of health-conscious fake food. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media for daily update other than the recipes. And go to my website princessbamboo.com for the full recipes and more information. The link is in the description box below. And if you don't know where to find Japanese ingredients and kitchen tools, visit my website on Amazon. They have pretty much everything and open 24/7. Thanks again and I will catch you again in a week. Bye!